Hello, everybody. It's me, Stephen Glassford, again from the Frozen Lakes Report, formerly the Ice Report, but had to change it because of ice. But anyway, uh, as you know, many people wanted me to make a TikTok and put this on TikTok. So last week I read out every single point that I measured, but this week I'm only going to mention the more important ones. But let's go. So on Mooring Pond, the the ice was on average 19 and a quarter inches. On Cedar Lake, the ice was on average 20 and 5/8 of an inch. So that's a gain of 2 and 1/8. Loring Pond gained about 2 inches of ice. Cedar Lake, or no, Lake of the Isles. Lake of the Isles was on average 20 and 7/8, or 1 and 5/8 of an inch increase. Bade-Makaska, everybody's favorite, was 2 and 1/8. That's a growth of 2 inches. Lake Harriet was 21 and 7/8 of an inch. That is a growth of 1 and 3/4 of an inch. Lake Nokomis was uh, 20 and 7/8 of an inch, an increase of 1 and 3/8 of an inch. And Lake Hiawatha was uh, 22 and 1/4 of an inch. So that's a growth of about 2 inches. A little bit more about the ice report this week was I lost one of my circle pieces on one of my augers, so that kind of sucked. But luckily, I have two augers just in case something like that happens. And then, so this is today, right now, is 2 4 2023, but most of the measurements were done on 2 3. So that was kind of funny. Uh, and then over the next couple weeks, the ice is going to start disintegrating. So this is probably going to be the thickest the ice ever gets. Pretty soon, the ice is going to start thinning and undergoing what's called candling. So it'll take about a month before the ice is not safe. But in the meantime, I'll kind of give everybody a better idea of what that means as time goes by. But right now, the ice is pretty good. As you can see, I'm on the ice right now on Lake Hiawatha. And peace. Well, I guess goodbye.